Absolutely. There. See, backside. Okay. Yeah. Put some scope. Yes. No. Ping. Manager!
This guy again.
Sir!
What happened? Has the internet gone rogue again?
Yes, sir.
Dude, trust me, we are having terrific internet speeds. And why is it always you complaining about the internet?
It's because I am facing the issues. It's like at my gaming hub itself, there is no internet at proper times and there is always ping when I'm playing the game.
Maybe we do need an upgrade.
That's what I have been trying to tell you from the past 2 months. Manager sir, please, I request you. At least now is the time. I'll call my friend. She's a professional from OpenWiFi and she'll definitely help us.
Sure, let's give it a shot.
Yeah, thank you. I'll call her right away. Sir, she's the one I've been talking to you about.
Hi, it's nice meeting you. My friend has already explained what the problem he's facing is. So, can I take a look at your network?
Sure.
So, I think I might have figured out what the problem here is.
Great. What is the problem?
I think where he was sitting, that place has interference between multiple APs. So, the problem he is getting might be because of co-channel interference.
And what could be the reason for this problem?
This could be of multiple reasons, but I think it's because of the old infrastructure that you guys are using with your APs.
I was a network engineer myself, and you're right, the infrastructure is a bit old and I've been thinking of an upgrade, but I can't seem to find a solution to this.
I think OpenWiFi might be a great solution to this problem. It has advanced features like RRM, which could solve the problem that you've been seeing here.
RRM, that's something new. What does it do?
RRM means Radio Resource Management. RRM employs interference management techniques to identify and mitigate interference sources, improving overall network performance. So, to put it in other words, RRM is a way to use the AP's radio to its best efficiency, and we can get an optimal network by doing that.
You talked about co-channel interference, right? So how does RRM help me overcome that?
RRM employs channel allocation strategies where it dynamically allocates channels to the access points based on their needs and the network's capacity.
I've heard that higher transmit power of APs also causes some interference. Does RRM handle that?
Absolutely. RRM adjusts the power levels of access point based on their proximity to other access points. By controlling transmit power levels, it minimizes the interference.
That's definitely an interesting feature and I would love to deploy that in the hub. I just have one question. I usually take care of the network infrastructure and deployments on the hub. Is there a way for me to enable this feature from the TIP OpenWiFi Cloud Controller all by myself?
Sure, you can do that. Let me get my laptop and I'll show you how to do it. So this is the TIP OpenWiFi Cloud Controller, and you can see the status and the details of multiple APs here in this, and it actually has a provisional UI which you can use to enable RRM. So to do that, you need to select few parameters from the provisional UI where optimized channel configuration can be selected from the algorithm tab to enable RRM based on channel selection and bandwidth. Whereas there's also another parameter, the mode unmanaged aware. This indicates that the RRM enabled from AP considers the weighted optimization algorithm in which the channel switch happens based on the channel utilization of the APs. Finally, there's also another parameter called cron scheduler which helps us to configure at what time interval RRM needs to be running. For suppose, if we select an hour, then for every hour, RRM will run on all the RRM enabled APs. So that's basically it. If you have any questions or furthermore comments, you can always reach out to us.
That's great. This is a very simple process and I can't wait to have OpenWiFi here. Thanks.
Thank you.
So join us and become a part of OpenWiFi community now.